It's Monday, the 28th of November, 2022. My name is Jewel, and this is the Weather Channel of J7409. I told you last week this bad weather was coming. This map, don't worry about it. It's going to intensify more and more, and I'm going to show you, folks, severe thunderstorms with tornadoes, wind damage, and hail. That's all going to happen starting tomorrow afternoon and extending into the overnight hours across parts of the lower Mississippi Valley. Significant long track train tornadoes will be possible. Tornadoes from EF2 to EF5 are expected. Don't forget to click Show More. Click Show More down below this video for the weather description box. Check out the community page for watches and warnings. Here's a tornado outlook. It's going to expand. Just trust me. I'm going to show you in a moment. Everywhere. 2%, it doesn't matter. All of this area right in here, tornadoes are possible tomorrow. The wind damage, I'm going to tell you about that in just a moment. Look at this, up to 30%. And hail is expected at a 15% chance from western Kentucky, a large portion of Tennessee, just about the whole state of Mississippi. With these thunderstorms, portions of Alabama, Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas. Now, here we have a look. I'm going to show you what's going to be going on. I've got this map set at about lunchtime tomorrow, 12 p.m. tomorrow. Now, hazards with these storms are lightning, severe wind, hail, and tornadoes. And not my words, but from the National Weather Service. There's a great possibility of EF2 to EF5 tornadoes with wind gusts of Category 1 hurricane strength in these storms as they move along. Now, we'll move it up a little bit here. By 2 p.m., you can see how they're moving along, especially these cells right in these areas here. Everywhere, folks, you see orange, severe weather, okay? And it's moving right on up, getting close to Memphis at this time. We'll move it up a little bit more. You can see right over Memphis, this area here. We could have some of those trailing tornadoes happen. Also down here, you can see in Mississippi, Louisiana, all down in these areas. Folks, this event is going to start tomorrow somewhere, maybe a little before, maybe a little after lunchtime. It will go through the afternoon and tomorrow night and part of Wednesday morning. Please stay safe and watch your skies. We've got snowstorms to report on this morning too, in this cold Arctic air that's coming down. There's today's high temperatures. Cold, cold, cold. You can see right in this area it's warm. That's why these storms are going to turn out, some of them possibly to be very, very severe. Let's all pray no one has bad tornadoes. But it's looking like, the way this thing is setting up, it is a very good possibility of EF2 to EF5 tornadoes could pop up. So once again, please stay safe and aware. Here we have the NAM map, courtesy of Tropical Tidbits. And, you know, the GFS NAM map, I put this up here. I know you guys like to look at it. It is not good at doing rain and thunderstorms and things like that. What this particular thing I have found in the past, over the many years I have used it, it's very good for snow. Very good for snow. That's just my personal opinion. So far as storms go, yes, it picks them up, but not to the degree that the Euromap does. And the Euromap is just what I showed you. But let's just turn this on. And we do have a week on shore flow of upper level energy. That's going to aid in producing coastal rain and higher elevation snow over the Pacific Northwest, Northern California, and the Northern Intermountain region, Northern Central Rockies, and Great Basin. Now, there is some winter storm warnings and Weather advisories for the Cascades, the northern Intermountain region, and northern Central Rockies. Now, overnight tonight, the coastal rain and higher elevation snow should weaken. However, by Tuesday, we got a plume of moisture that starts to move into the northwest by late tomorrow morning. Now, snow levels will lower to near the coast over the Olympic Peninsula, with heavy snow over the Olympic ranges. Now, the snow will result in reduced visibility and very hazardous driving conditions. Meanwhile, today, we got a front over the northern plains. It's going to move eastward to the upper Great Lakes by tomorrow evening. Now, while this wave of low pressure over the central plains deepens and moves into the upper Great Lakes by Wednesday morning. Overnight tonight, snow will develop over parts of the northern and central plains, and on Tuesday, snow will develop over the middle Missouri Valley into the upper Mississippi Valley. Heavy snow will develop over parts of the upper Great Lakes, which has prompted some winter storm watches over that region. And once again, the moisture from the western Gulf of Mexico streaming northward from the western Gulf Coast. Look out the areas that I have showed you, okay? The hazards with these storms coming in for you guys once again with these thunderstorms are frequent lightning, severe thunderstorm, wind, hail, and tornadoes. And there is a greater probability of EF2 to EF5 tornadoes with wind gust of a Category 1 hurricane over the regions that I have showed you. Please share this video, folks, with your friends, your family, and on your social media to help me keep people aware and safe of what might be coming their way. One really bad thing about this, yes, they'll start tomorrow afternoon at some point, but tomorrow night when people are sleeping, they need to be aware of this now, so they'll make sure they have everything handy to wake them up if something pops up around their area. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the J7409 Weather Ensemble in the bottom right-hand corner. Click that bell and check off all to make sure that you get all my latest weather videos. Folks, stay safe, stay warm. I love you all. I thank you for everything you do for me. Have a good day, a safe day, and a blessed day. And peace, loving kindness to all. Thank you for watching.